TRAVCRM MICE, Corporate Events Management System, with their travel requirements. Fill in your credentials to log into your account. Click on Query, Add New, and select the query type. Select the business type. Just enter the company name, and all the details will get filled in automatically. After that, you can see the tender info, like the issue date, e-bidding date, etc. Next, choose the type of travel and number of packs. Select the dates and number of nights, and enter the names of the destinations. Then you can select additional services such as flights, visas, insurance, and passports. You can plan your itinerary from here. Set your priority and tap, and select your type of meal plan. If you want to add a description, you can write it here. Finally, click on the Save button. Now in the query dashboard, we can see the query ID type, query date, destination, packs type, query type, salesperson, and the status of the query. Just click on this query ID. On the left-hand side, we can see the query information that we have entered, including the priority of the query, all the destinations with their respective dates, operation person names, and the communication part is located in the middle. We can conduct client communication, supplier communication, quotation creation and tour extension. On the right-hand side, there are action items such as important links for booking, for a credit note or any internal expense entry. We can create a supplier voucher and obtain supplier confirmation. We can create a to-do list and assign a tour manager as well. We can create the guest list, client voucher, and agent feedback form from the client's information. We can also view the status of our queries and add any necessary notes and reminders. Furthermore, we have the ability to edit the notes and reminders. Now just click on either Add Quotation for a single hotel category, or multiple hotel category for recent slabs. We can also select multiple slabs, then select service-wise or complete package-wise if you want, and click on the Save button. Now we can add information such as itinerary, hotel, guide, activity and entrance. We can easily select and edit our itineraries from this section. After that we can add hotels. From here we can select multiple pre-contracted hotels and add the cost for a single room. To add the cost for a double room, simply save the changes. Once added, the information will be displayed here. If you require multiple rooms, you can select multiple hotels. And you can add activities, and enter their respective prices here. Similarly, if you want to add flights, select the flights option and choose the hub, flight number, economy or business class, adult cost, baggage allowance and other details. Just click on the Save button, select multiple hubs here, edit the prices and save it. This will add the prices and hub-wise flights here. You can also add monuments by entering their prices. In the value-added services, you can add visa details, passport details, insurance and additional experiences by searching for them. Then you can review the inclusions and exclusions, which are also editable. You can apply the markup as a flat fee, or a percentage, either on a service-by-service basis or as a universal markup. If there is any commission, you can add it as a client commission such as 10%. You can add GST tax slabs, DCS, discounts and indicate whether or not passport fees are included. Once you have made these adjustments, simply save the changes and you can then view the cost sheet. The cost sheet includes details such as hotel rates, per pax cost, total tour cost, ERR and SSR. Once you have reviewed the cost sheet, you can then close it. Now with multiple proposals, the company logo will be displayed alongside a banner image. You can export it as a PDF or Word document or send it via mail or WhatsApp web. Shall we send it through the mail now? There are reply templates to choose from. Just click on the Send button. You can make a duplicate copy of this quotation. Before doing so, let's check the hotel availability. Once confirmed, we can send the request from here. If we need to add additional email addresses, we can use this form to send via email, so we can send the link to the client. After checking the hotel availability, we can finalize the quotation. You can check the supplier selection, reservation requests and final prices here. From here you can also send emails to suppliers for reservations. Here you can update the service status by entering the confirmation numbers. Once confirmed, the final and quoted prices will be displayed. Upon closing, a payment request will appear, and we can see the supplier and corporate payment information. We can schedule the payment to suppliers and update it. The updated payment details can be seen above. Similarly, we can schedule payments for corporates, and share the payment request link. This is the receipt, which you can either send or take a printout of. We can also generate an invoice, whether it's a performance or tax invoice depends on what we need. Once saved, the invoice can be printed, downloaded or sent via WhatsApp. This will be the official invoice. By clicking on the client information, we can create the guest list. We can then import a CSV file and choose the necessary columns, or alternatively create a new guest list. After creating the link, you can share it with the client by clicking on the share button. The link will be sent to the client's email, and they can then provide their information. From there we can enter the details.